From this dirt
Feels like I've done
to
a
this.
cardio exercise of running in a treadmill. Wiping this. Wiping my car. Now I'm going to dry you up with this.
After wiping my
Just
car,
finished drying up my car with this. And I also cleaned the roof, the mirrors, windows, the wheels,